So today I'll be showing you how to create a crowd like this in Blender using geometry nodes in under 5 minutes. So first, we are going to start by uploading our model to Mixamo and using the Mixamo Auto Rigger to rig the model. So once you've done that, select the animation you want to be applied on your model, download it with skin, and then save it somewhere. Then you're going to repeat this process for as many models as you want to be in the crowd. So use the Auto Rigger again, then you select the mesh, the animation that you want, then you download it with skin. Once you've done that, also a quick tip, when you're uploading, make sure you use OBJ files. FBX files tend to have some problems here and there, so OBJ files normally work best. So once you've done selecting all the models you want, you're going to download them and bring them into Blender. So once imported, what you're going to do is you're going to select the rigs, and then you're going to go down here to the timeline, select the animation, then you're going to offset it so that they are not in sync. Also select this, offset it a little bit, and also this, offset it. Then once you've done that, you're going to go here, go to the graph editor, and what you're going to do is you're going to add an F-curve modifier here, then you're going to go channel, add F-curve modifier, then you're going to add cycles. Once you've done that, that means that the animation will be cyclic, it will be repeating itself. So you're going to add that to all the rigs. So you go here, channel, F-curve modifier, cycles, go here, channel, F-curve modifier, add cycles. Now the animation is cyclic, meaning it will repeat itself forever. So once you've done that, now what you're going to do next is you're going to select all your rigs. Select all your rigs. Once you've done that, you're going to select all of them and put them in a new collection. And then you're going to go, once you've done that, you've put them in a new collection. You're going to go here, go to the rigs, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hide them. Then once you've done that, select all the meshes that are remaining, add them into another new collection. In this case, I added it to a collection called Party Crowd. Yes, now once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going now to add a plane. So you're going to add a plane, scale it up maybe a little bit, scale it up. Yeah, something like that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the geometry nodes editor. So you'll come here, create a new geometry node editor. Once you've done that, now the first thing you're going to add is a points on instance, distribute point on faces node. So you go here, search, distribute points on faces. So you're going to add that here. Then you're going to add an instance on points. Yes, you're going to add that here. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to add is a collection info node. So go collection info, put it there. Then you're going to connect these instances to these instances here. And then you're going to pick the collection you just created, the Party Crowd. So once you've done that, now you can see like there's a crowd forming, but it looks too uniform because everything is close to one another. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, maybe do a density of 1.1. That will reduce the people. So also add a randomize node, random value node. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it here. Then you're going to connect that to affect the scale so that people will have different variations in scale. So then you're going to come back here, change the seed to something that fits what you want. Also with the random value, you can play around with the seed, maybe the minimum to be 0.5 and the maximum to be 0.75. Yep, like that. And then now you can change the seed also, yep, to something like that. So now once you've done that, now you have your crowd. And now if you go back to your timeline and you press play, maybe you press play, now you can see now your crowd is animated.